Hello everyone, welcome back to the forge. Now today we're going to be forging a little everyday carry knife. We're going to be using this piece of 5160 spring steel. This piece of steel is 1/4 of an inch thick, 4 inches long, and an inch and 1/8 wide. Now we're going to be forging a full tang style knife out of this, so let's go ahead and get it tossed in the forge, get it up to temperature, and get to hammering. Alright, so here's where we are right off the grinder. Bevels are roughed in. I'm going to go ahead and throw this back in the forge and heat it up and put it in some hardwood ash and let it go ahead and anneal before drilling the holes in this tang, because it's work hardened. As I heat it up, cleaning off the flats and dumping it in water, it's hardened up quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll get the handle pinholes drilled. Alright, everything came through the temper grate. Everything stayed straight and true. I'm going to move on now to cleaning these bevels up, getting them up to a high grit in preparations of hand sanding. For those of you wondering, I tempered this for 2 1-hour cycles at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's get the file guide on here. Let's get to work. Here's where we are. Got us up to a 400 grit. I'm going to go ahead and turn my attention to the handle for now. I'm going to get the handle scales drilled, get them cut out, cleaned up, get the front ends cleaned up to the high grit, oil them, and then the last thing we'll do before glue up is etch the maker's mark, clean the blade up one last time, and then get it glued up. We're almost there. Alright, the handle material I'm using is this laminate material. From the pictures on the website. I bought this from knifekits.com. Looks like it should give it a pretty cool patterning effect when we grind the handle. Almost like something comparable would be like a 2-ply G10, a blue and black or something. Should give us a look of that with the striations and everything. So, alright, well, let's get this handle drilled out.